Hey there, construction enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of construction equipment and machinery. Whether you're a builder or just intrigued by how things are built, you're in for a treat. We'll be discussing the importance, types, and future trends of construction equipment. So let's get started. Construction equipment is the lifeblood of any building project. It's the muscle and bone that turns a blueprint into reality. Imagine constructing a skyscraper with just hammers and shovels. Construction equipment significantly enhances efficiency, safety, and productivity on construction sites. Major projects like bridges, dams, and high-rise buildings are made possible by the impressive capabilities of modern construction equipment. Now, let's break down construction equipment into major types. We have earth-moving equipment, which includes excavators, bulldozers, and loaders. These machines move earth and prepare the construction site. Next, we have lifting equipment like cranes, essential for heavy lifting tasks. Compaction equipment compacts the ground for a stable foundation. Then there's paving equipment for laying roads and pavements, and concrete equipment for mixing and pouring concrete. Let's dive deeper into some common construction machinery. Excavators are like the Swiss Army knives of construction, versatile and used for various tasks like digging and demolishing. Bulldozers are the powerhouses, moving massive amounts of earth. Tower cranes over construction sites, lifting heavy materials to towering heights. Loaders help in moving materials quickly, and dump trucks haul away the debris. Now, safety is paramount in construction. Operating these machines requires expertise and caution. Safety protocols must always be followed to prevent accidents. Regular maintenance is equally crucial. A well-maintained machine works efficiently and lasts longer. It's essential to check for wear and tear, lubricate parts, and ensure all safety features are functioning correctly. Looking ahead, construction equipment is undergoing a revolutionary transformation. Automation is becoming more prevalent, enhancing precision and reducing the need for extensive manual labor. Electrification is another major trend, promoting eco-friendliness and reducing the industry's carbon footprint. Sustainable construction is a priority, leading to equipment innovations that are more environmentally conscious and efficient. In conclusion, construction equipment is the backbone of the construction industry, propelling us into a future where building complex structures is more efficient, safe, and sustainable. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of construction machinery. If you found this video informative, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for joining us today.